Bonjour à tous, good morning to all, and today we are going to see about the lesson 2, that is lesson the key A author star. So who is your favorite star only? So before that we will recall our first lesson. It's all about a Winsbury in the fancy evening party and the dialogue A and the dialogue between three persons. One is Kumar and Vivek and Divya. They are presenting themselves in the evening party. And dialogue B also, in the dialogue, the two people are there. Two people are there. One is Aditya and Divya. They are also introducing themselves in the evening party. And next, let us move to the grammar part. Your grammar part is first one is le pronom sujet, that is subject pronoun. What are the subject pronoun? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. These are the subject pronoun. And pronoun tonic, second is what? Le pronoun tonic, that is tonic pronoun. What are the tonic pronoun? Moi, that is myself. Toi, that is yourself. Lui, himself. Elle, herself. Nous, ourself. Vous, yourself. And eux, themselves. And elle, themselves. It is used for the masculine plural. And next is the noun. Noun can be classified. It is classified as a gender as well as numbers. Gender like a masculine and feminine noun, and number means like a singular and plural. And next fourth is les articles. Article means the articles. The articles also classified into two types. One is les articles indéfinis. Indéfinis means indefinite articles. So where it is to be placed, it is placed before the noun only, and they indicate a person, a thing or animal. So what are the indefinite article? And, when and they. And next move to the definite article, les articles définis. The definite article placed it also before the noun only, and it indicates a person, thing or animal preciously. It preciously means it's like a specific one. And what are the definite article? Le, la, le, l apostrophe. And this is all about. And next is les adjective possessive. Les adjective possessive means possessive adjective. So possessive adjective means mon, ma, me, ton, te, son, censé, notre, no, votre, vos, leur, and leur. These are the adjective possessive. And next is l'interrogatio. L'interrogatio means what? Interrogation. Interrogation, it is used to ask a question. And you have three types of interrogation. One is a form familiar. It means affirmative sentence plus question mark. And second, form standard, that is standard form. Before that you have to use esker plus affirmative sentence. And third one is sustained form. Sustained form means inversion method. So you have to invert the subject and the verb. And last one is the pays nationality, the country and the nationalities. It is also based on the gender like masculine and feminine. So this is all about our first lesson. To your communication part, which is based on your second lesson. Parler de ses favoris, it means talk about your favorites. And second, décrire quelqu'un, to describe someone. And third is dire ce qu'on nomme, it means say what you like. And fourth, dire ce qu'on nomme pas, it means say what you don't like. So your communication part, which is based on these four topic only. So let us move to your dialogue. So dans la rue, un reporter interview le public. So in the street, a reporter interviews the public. Let's see. First one, bonjour madame, qui est votre écrivain favorite? So hello madam, who is your favorite writer? And the answer, mon écrivain favorite c'est Kalki. C'est un écrivain tamoul and il est né en 1899 and c'est l'auteur de Ponniyin Selvan and Jambokub Seromo. So my favorite writer is it's Kalki Valli, and he is a Tamil writer, and he was born in 1899, and he is the author of Ponniyin Selvan, and I really like his novel. So this is the first one. And second person, it is bonjour, qui est votre joueur préféré? So hello, who is your favorite player? So mon joueur préféré, c'est bien sûr Dhoni. So my favorite player is of course is Dhoni only, and il a 37 ans and he is 37 years old, and il est charmant et sympathique. He is charming and friendly, and les enfants adorent Dhoni. It means the kids love Dhoni, and c'est an excellent sportif. So he is an excellent sportsman, and il joue pour l'équipe de Chennai, and he plays for the Chennai team, and c'est le capitaine de Chennai Super King. That is, he is the captain of captain of Chennai Super King. And third person, Madame, quel est votre écrivain préféré? So who is your favorite writer again? And j'aime beaucoup les romans de Patrick Modiano. So I really like the novels of Patrick Modiano. And c'est un romancier français contemporain. It means he is a contemporary French novelist. And ses romans sont passionnés. It means his novels are fascinating. And il habite à Paris, and he lives in Paris. And il a 72 ans. It means he is 72 years old. And fourth, voilà, mademoiselle, quel est votre acteur favorite? So, well, miss, who is your favorite actor? Moi, je n'aime pas les sports. So, me, I don't like the sports, and je prefer the cinema. And I prefer cinema. And Isabelle Adjani, c'est mon actrice préférée. So, Isabelle Adjani, she is my favorite actress. And elle est française, and she is a French. And cette Wien Barat Bal est intelligent, and she is a beautiful and intelligent star. So she is a Isabelle Adjani. And fifth person, that is bonjour jeune homme, vous avez des personnalités favorites? So hello young man, do you have your favorite personalities? Bien sûr, j'adore les sportifs. That is, I love sportsman, and j'aime Shevak, Roger Federer, and Schumacher, Ronaldo, and Michael Johnson. La liste est longue. So of course I love sportsman. I like Shevak and Roger Federer and Schumacher and Ronaldo and Michael Jordan, and the list is long. So here are some sports personalities. These are some sports personalities. I'll show you the picture. So first image is Sehwag, and he is a former Indian cricketer, and he is a former occasional captain of India. And second is Roger Federer. He is a Swiss professional tennis player. And third is Schumacher. It's a Michael Schumacher. It's a German retired racing driver. And fourth is Ronaldo. He is a Portugal professional footballer who plays as a footballer only. And fifth is Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is a American formal professional basketball player. And this is all about that is sportsman, which we have seen in the previous slide. And let us move to the lexic and the verb which is based on this thing. First one is écrivain, it means writer, and second is roman, novels, and third is jouer, player, and fourth l'équipe, that is team, and fifth bal, beautiful, and sixth intelligent, that is intelligent, and seventh is jeune homme, young man, and 8th is the least, that is list. And the verb aimer means to like, and préférer means to prefer, habiter to live, and adorer means to like. Let's move to the choose the best answer, which is based on your second lesson. So, dans la rue, and dash interview le public. So, in the street, who interviewed the public? A reporter only. And second, bonjour madame, qui est votre écrivain favorite? So, who is your favorite writer? And Kalki, third one is Kalki est un écrivain. It's a Tamil or Hindi, Tamil only. And fourth one is Kalki est né en. So Kalki was born on 1899 only. And fifth, dash est l'auteur de Ponniyin Selvan. So who is the author of Ponniyin Selvan? As it's obviously it's Kalki. And sixth, j'aime beaucoup say, I like his novels in French and Roman. And seventh, qui est votre dash préféré? So who is your favorite player? That is jouer. And eighth is mon joueur préféré, c'est bien sûr is Dhoni only. And dit vrai ou faux, that is true or false. Un reporter interview le public dans la rue. So a reporter interviewed the public in the street. So the answer is true only, that is vrai. And second, Kalki est un écrivain Tamil. So Kalki is a Tamil writer. Yes, that's true. And Kalki naît en 1799. So 1799, it's not the answer, that is 1899. So the answer is false. And Ponniyin Selvan est écrit par Kalki. So Ponniyin Selvan is written by Kalki only. So it was written by Kalki. Yes, it's true. And fifth is Kalki est un poète célèbre. So Kalki is a celebrates a famous writer. Yes, it's true. You just change over there, that is free. And sixth is Kalki est un écrivain célèbre. Yes, it's a famous writer only, so the answer is true. And eighth is Kalki né en 1899. So 1899 only he was born, so the answer is right. And Dhoni est un joueur de cricket. It means Dhoni is a cricket player. Yes, he is a cricket player only, so the answer is true. And fifth one is Kalki est un poète célèbre. It's not a famous poet. He is a writer only, famous writer only, so the answer is right only. So that's 4. And third is répondez question, that is answer the following. First one is qui est Kalki? So who is Kalki? C'est un écrivain Tamil. So he is a Tamil writer. And next B1, pour quelle équipe Dhoni joue-t-il? So for which team Dhoni played? So he'll jouer pour l'équipe the Chennai Super Kings. So he played for the Chennai Super King only. And C1, qui est Modiano? So who is Modiano? Modiano est un romancier français. So he is a French novelist. And D1, qui est Isabelle Adjani? So elle est une actrice française. She is a French actrice. And the fifth one is qu'est-ce que le jeune homme adore? So what did the young people like? Means le jeune homme adore les sportifs. So the young people likes the sportsman only. And in your lesson you have to describe your star. One is actor, that is actor, and second sportif, that is sportsman, and third one is écrivain, writer, and fourth is chanteur. So you have to describe your favorite star. So first one is actor, that is Shivaji Ganeshan. So mon acteur favorite is Shivaji Ganesan. C'est un acteur Tamil and c'est un excellent actor and j'aime beaucoup ses films. So my favorite actor is Shivaji Ganeshan and c'est un acteur Tamil. So he is a Tamil actor and Seth an excellent actor, so he is an excellent actor and I like his films. So this is the first one, actor, and second is sportif, that is sportman, that is Sachin Tendulkar. So most GA preferred, that is my favorite player is c'est sûr, of course is Sachin Tendulkar, and il a 40 ans, so its age is 40 years old, and il est charmant et très riche, so he is charming and it's very rich, and il joue le cricket pour Londres. So he played cricket for India. And third is Écrivain. Écrivain, it's a writer. It's of course is Kalki. So he's a Kalki. Kalki est un écrivain. So Kalki is a writer, Tamil writer. Journalist is a journalist, and poet, it's a poeter, and a critic, Tamil critic, it's a critic. And j'aime beaucoup ses romans, c'est l'auteur de Ponniyin Selvan. So I like his novels, and he is the author of Ponniyin Selvan. And move to the fourth one, chanteur. Chanteur is S.P. Balasubramaniam, and Balasubramaniam est un chanteur indien. So he is a Indian singer, and il chante des chansons dans divers langues indiennes comme Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, etc. So he sings songs in various Indian language such as Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, etc. And j'aime beaucoup ses chansons. I like his songs. So this is all about our today's lesson. It's all about the who is your favorite star. So you have to write who is your favorite star, like a favorite actor, favorite player, and favorite writer, and favorite singer. So you have to describe in French. It's like a 2 to 3 lines that you have to write in your French note itself. And this is all about our today's video, and I'll give some assessment, one assessment which is based on this video, like choose true or false, just respond your question, that is answer the questions, and dialogue order. So you have to rearrange the dialogue in the order which is based on your second lesson only. So I hope you all understand this video, and thank you. Merci.